Hi, grade 4. Today it is Thursday, and this is actually your last Khan Academy assignment for the week. Today it's multiply two-digit numbers. I really don't mind how you choose to multiply these numbers. We've learned lots of different ways at school. We reviewed some different ways this week. So I'm just going to show you 3 different ways that I think are the easiest, and you can go ahead and do it whichever way you'd like. So for the assignment today, all it is a whole bunch of two-digit by two-digit numbers, and you're multiplying. So I will just go ahead and show you the good old-fashioned way to multiply, the way that we started with this year. So let's just say we have, 27 multiplied by 36, okay? So we're going to start with the stacking method. So we stack them, 27 times 36, just like this, okay? And then we go ahead and start multiplying. So remember, we start with the bottom right, okay? So 6 times 7 is 42. I can't write 42 here. I have to carry my 4 up here. So 42. And then we go 6 times 2, which is 12. 12 add 4 is 16, okay? And so in the next line, I can't just start multiplying. I have to have a 0 here first. So don't forget to drop the 0. And then we have 3. Also, I'm going to cross off this 4 so you don't get confused. 3 times 7 is 21. Okay, so I can't write 21 here. I have to carry my 2. So 21. And then 3 times 2 is 6. 6 add 2 is 8. Okay, my next step, I've done all my multiplications. My next step is just to add. 2 plus 0 is 2. 6 plus 1 is 7. 1 plus 8 is 9. So 972. That is one method to multiply, okay? And this is probably the method that your parents would like to use. So if you need help with how to multiply, definitely ask them and they'll be able to help you with this method. So the second way, which is the way that we were doing this week, let's just say we have 27, let's use the same numbers, multiplied by 36. This week, one of your assignments was using the area model, so we're gonna go ahead and create that ourselves. So we have our rectangle here. Okay, we're gonna break it up into 4, like this. So we have 27, so we have 20, 7, and 36. We have 36. So let's go ahead and multiply. So we're going to find the area of each of these 4 boxes. 20 times 30 is, so 2 times 3 is 6, and don't forget about your 2 zeros. 20 times 6, so we're going to say 2 times 6 is 12, and add that 0. 7 times 30 well, let's do 7 times 3 is 21, and then don't forget to add that 0. And then finally, 7 times 6 is 42. So 42. So now over here on the side, I guess we'll do it at the bottom. Now we add 600 plus 210 plus 120 plus, put a plus on the last line, 42. I'm going to make my line and add. So starting on the right, 0 plus 0 plus 0 plus 2, that's easy, that's a 2. 0 plus 1 plus 2 plus 4, so 4 plus 2 is 6, 6 add 1 is 7, 6 plus 2 plus 1 is 9. Perfect. Okay, and the last way that I'm going to show you, I know a lot of you had really enjoyed this way, is the lattice multiplication. So 27 times 36. So this is when we have our box, okay? So I'm just going to make a square. And because it's 2-digit by 2-digit, I'm going to break these up into 2 by 2, okay? So on the top, I'm going to write 27, and on the side, I'm going to write 36, just like this, okay? So then you make your diagonals here. And the reason why this method is fun is that you just have to multiply a lot of small numbers instead of multiplying larger numbers. So 3 times 7 is 21. 3 times 2 is 6. So don't forget, if it's a 1-digit number, you have to put the 0. 6 times 7 is 42. 6 times 2 is 12. And then, do you remember we extend these lines just so that we have it nice and organized and we can put our answers here? So here we have a 2. 1 plus 4 plus 2 is 7. 2 plus 6 plus 1 is 9. So our answer would be 972. So do you see how there's lots of different ways to do the same kind of question? It doesn't matter to me which way you choose. Get a piece of paper and do your questions on paper so that you can do your work on the paper. But for your solutions, you just have to write the solution in so that I know you did it. I prefer if you did not use a calculator. Just use your multiplication chart to help you with the multiplications. And that's it. So good luck, everyone. And if you have any questions or if you would like some help doing your assignment, send me an email and we'll set up a meeting. Have a great day, everyone. Good luck with your assignment. See you later. Bye.